Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare two powerful business platforms, Zoho and GoHighLevel. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Zoho. Zoho is a comprehensive business suite offering over 40 apps for CRM, email marketing, finance, HR, and project management. It's great for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an all-in-one solution to run their operations smoothly. Zoho's biggest advantage is its wide range of tools, from sales automation to marketing and even customer support. It's a very scalable platform that can grow with your business and integrates well with other tools. Now we have is GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is a specialized platform built for marketing agencies and digital marketers. It combines tools for lead generation, funnels, email and SMS campaigns, and CRM in one dashboard. What makes GoHighLevel stand out is its focus on client management and helping agencies automate marketing for their clients. It even lets you white label the platform, which is a big plus for agencies that want to brand it as their own. So if you're a small business looking for a variety of apps to manage everything from finance to HR, Zoho is likely the better choice. But if you're an agency focused on lead generation, sales funnels, and client management, then GoHighLevel is the more targeted and effective solution for you.